Presenting the 2006 Ford F-150. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4x4, 8-cylinder engine, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auto-off headlights, auxiliary PWR outlet, climate control and cruise control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.